Zavardy Official. Click here to subscribe. Houseplants always beautify and improve the design in our home. Sometimes, there is a need to transfer them to other pots. However, you don't have to rush to the store to find something beautiful for your flowers. With a little bit of creativity and patience, you can make absolutely wonderful flower pots from ordinary plastic bottles that will please the eye and add extra charm to the interior of your house. And today, I'll be showing you an incredible way to help you create cute flower pots from ordinary plastic bottles. So, let's go! So let's prepare the materials that we need. These empty plastic bottles, the tools that we need, cut the bottle into half. If the edges are rough or uneven, you can use sandpaper to file it down. We need to make a hole in the bottom of the container to let the excess water to drain out. Be careful on using these cutters. I love reusing and recycling things instead of being wasteful and throwing them away. If there's a way to reuse something to make better, then that's what I try to do. Flower pots can be expensive, and if you're on a budget, then I advise you to create this plastic bottle into a flower pot. Don't forget to add holes to the bottom of your planter with your scissor for drainage, or pebbles if you prefer. Add a bit of potting soil, and now you can repot your plant. Just keep on watching. This is how it looks like when done. Attach the other part of the bottle into the holes. This is optional, but you can make this one. Take a paintbrush and color of your choice and decorate your bottle in a way you like. We prefer clean, minimal designs, but the final look is up to you. For our planters, I think recycling plastic bottles to make this craft is a smart idea. I really want to make these plastic bottle flower pots because they are very clever. This is a fast project to work on, so next time you have any bottles lying around you, I think this would be a great flower pot alternative. This is so easy to make. And these plastic bottles are nice material for recycling because they are transparent, elastic and flexible, and can be easily and quickly transformed into various useful objects for your house. And with just a little effort, they will have a new life instead of ending up in the trash. And in the same time, you will have something useful for your home. By reusing this plastic bottle into a planter, we can also reduce garbage, save the nature, and save the money at the same time. You can also watch my previous videos. Please check on the description box below for the links. Do you want to see more amazing DIY projects? Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and get the latest update sent straight to your inbox. We're almost done. And here we go, it's done. The art of upcycling takes common household objects and gives them a new life. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Shout out Garner. Zavardy Official. Click here to subscribe. Zavardy Official. Click here to subscribe.